If you want to build a client onboarding form with automation in under 3 minutes, you're in the right place. I've tested all the popular tools, Typeform, JotForm, Google Forms, even Airtable, and I'm going to show you the fastest, cleanest way to do it step by step. Plus, if you want to follow along, there's an exclusive free trial for the software I recommend just for viewers of my channel. Links in the description. So here's how to build a client onboarding form with automation without wasting time on features you don't need. First, sign up for the software we'll be using. Again, grab that free trial in the description if you haven't already. Once you're in, go to Forms and click Create New. Give your form a name like Client Onboarding and start with the essential fields: name, email, phone, and company. If your business requires more info, budget, services needed, timeline, you can add those too using short or long text fields, drop-downs, or multi-select checkboxes. Now, here's where the automation comes in. Go to the Automations tab. We want to trigger an automatic email as soon as someone submits the form. Click Add Workflow, choose Form Submission as the trigger, then set the action to Send Email. Use this to send a welcome message or the next steps. You can even personalize it with the name by inserting dynamic fields. Next, we'll route responses. Let's say if someone selects high budget from your dropdown, you want to notify a sales rep instantly. Just add a conditional step in the same automation. If budget is high, send Slack or email notification to sales. Done. Want to auto-add new clients to your CRM or Google Sheet? Hit Add Action, then select Webhook or choose a native integration. You can connect to over 5,000 apps with tools like Zapier or native plugins built into the software. Pro tip, always include a final field asking, is there anything else we should know? It makes the client feel heard and gives you extra context before the first meeting. Before you hit publish, go to Settings and make sure you turn on spam protection, mobile optimization, and set up a redirect to a thank you page or booking calendar. This is a great moment to lock in a client call automatically. Now, publish your form. You can embed it on your site, link to it in emails, or share it directly on social media. The key takeaway? Don't just collect data, use automation to make onboarding seamless. A great client onboarding form with automation doesn't just look clean, it takes care of half the admin work before you even jump on a call. Quick recap. Start with a clean form layout. Add all essential client fields, trigger automations instantly after submission, route high priority leads to the right team, auto-sync with your tools, optimize for mobile and set up redirects. If you found this helpful, I recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description. No credit card required and it's only for Dan Thorne viewers. That's it. Fast, automated, and client ready.